Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make Vada pav. Take 3 medium-sized potato and boil it. Peel and mash it. Now take 8 garlic cloves, half-inch sized ginger, 1 green chili. Grind it nicely. Heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Now add 1 pinch of hing powder, finely chopped 1 sprig of curry leaves, ginger garlic chili paste. Saute it until the ginger garlic smell goes away. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, 2 pinches of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, mashed potatoes, half teaspoon of salt. Saute it around 2 to 3 minutes. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves. Next, heat a pan. Pour half teaspoon of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of peanuts and fry around 5 minutes. Add quarter cup of grated coconut in a same pan and saute it until turns to light brown color. Transfer it to a mixie jar. Now saute 4 garlics. Add a drop of oil. Add 1 dried red chili. Saute it around 2 minutes. Now transfer this to a mixie jar. Now grind it coarsely. Add 2 pinches of salt and mix it. Now make a ball from the potato masala. Now take 1 cup of gram flour. With this, add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 pinch of baking soda, add little amount of water, and make a batter like this. Dip the masala balls in this batter and deep fry in the hot oil. Now the vada is ready. Take a bun, cut it horizontally around 80%. Then open the bun and add a teaspoon of coconut peanut spices on each. Place the potato vada and serve it. Now the vada pav is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.